Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. On 7th February 2017, I saw in a dream that Israel started to build a large brown-colored building in the area of Palestine, due to which the Muslims of Palestine became angry. The rest of the Arab countries also became angry on this, that why is Israel making this building here? This is the land of the Muslims. The rest of the Muslims of the world also raised their voice against it, and they started to protest against Israel, but Israel did not stop, and Muslims couldn't do anything other than protests either. When I saw all this, then I said that what building is this that the Muslims are doing so many protests? I sat on a plane type flying machine to see that building. When I came nearer, then I saw the Muslims protesting, and Israel had almost completed the building. When lights were turned on in the building, then the Muslims protested even more. But suddenly there was a huge blast in the base of the building, and its impact was so much that the entire building was changed overnight. And due to the blast, a terrifying sandstorm was started, and it was spread everywhere. And Muslims and their families were affected by that dust storm. And Muslim men, women, and children started to die in thousands. The dust storm was so enormous that even the light of the sun couldn't reach the earth, and it felt like a dark evening. And due to the dust storm, no one could go for their help either. I turned back on seeing this, and that sandstorm kept on spreading, and it caused a lot of destruction in Middle East, Egypt, Sudan, and many other Arab countries. It spread so much destruction that I can't even find words to explain it. And I said that what did Israel do exactly that caused such a huge storm? And what was in that building that all Arab countries were affected by it? And when will this storm stop? And the dream ended there.